Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX did hit our target area. Yeah, I don't think this is an area I talked about in the last video. It's an area I defined yesterday for the channel members in the member only update. Yeah, just so that you're not surprised where this comes from. I make a weekly video in which I talk about opportunities and trade setups. So yesterday we called the top in place here, and based on that I could define this target area. We've now reached this target area, and we obviously rallied from the low on the 10th of March to here to the 14th of March. Then this was 5 waves up. Yeah, we could count 5 up. When I saw yesterday that we possibly topped, I would need to look up when it exactly was. I think it was sort of here, around 1720, could be wrong, somewhere here. And the idea was that we would come down in an A wave, that bottomed, then we rallied in a B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave. I would have liked to see this take a little bit more time, but okay, it's not. So now what we need to ensure, or what the bulls need to ensure, is that AVAX holds the 1478 level, because I'm currently counting the move up as a 5-wave move. Yeah, so as a possible wave 1, basically the assumption would be that the trend has shifted from this downtrend into an uptrend. The very best signal we had here was the breakout of the trend line to the upside. That was a really good signal. That's why we had it on the chart. Yeah, it followed nicely, yeah, and then it broke. We then rallied, obviously, and we're now coming down in a 3-wave structure so far. But this wave 2 needs to hold the yellow support area. That goes down all the way to 1478. Now, basically, it's only $1 roughly that we are allowed to fall, and then we basically need to reverse. If we don't, now again, it doesn't mean it has to, you know, it should do, because if it doesn't, then it will fall back, will probably retest the lows of the 10th of March, and then maybe even go a bit lower, all the way to $13. So these are the key support areas down there. I think we have still a fair chance to find support, even though, again, we've come down quite deep. But you know how it works. These can turn around at an instant. They can really suddenly start to rally. And here, micro micro price action would suggest that we came down in an A wave, did the B wave, we're now coming down in C, created a wave 1 here, 1 second, created a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, this here could be a wave 4, usually sideways, which it does, and then one more wave down, right? So I'm really looking here possibly at the area around the 78.6 retrace, around 1478 to 1488, which is the golden ratio of the large account. Yeah, and now you should be aware of all the key targets and relevant levels to watch out for. You know, sometimes we're waiting for a low and it just doesn't happen. That's just what the market does. I mean, at the moment, this looks like a typical bear flag, a wave 4, which could result in a wave 5. But you know how it is. Sometimes it just turns around, and therefore I'm going to give you the level that you need to watch out for. If AVAX goes above that level, it would be a very early indication that a low has been made already and that we will not get that 5th wave. We talk here about the 1629 level. Now, I'm not talking about touching it. I'm talking about actually breaking it, sustaining above it. Indicates we're already in the next wave to the upside, basically the 3rd wave. Yeah, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.